What up everybody, it's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm about to show you guys how I made this beat inside of FL Studio. So if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and please do not forget to turn on the bell notifications so whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into how I made this beat inside of FL Studio. Alright, so the first thing I started off with was this bass synth here, and it goes something like this. The next thing I went ahead and did was I added a Kill Bill horn, which sounds like this here. Then I added this bell sound here. And then I added this hit sound here. It sounds something like this. Open hat. And then I added this sub bass. Next was my 808. And then I added a tambourine. A little clap roll. And then a sub bass drop. So let's start putting these elements together so you understand what's going on with the track. So the first thing I did was, of course, the bass here. So we're going to play it to song mode. And this was the synth bass that I started off with. Next thing, of course, was the bells. And again, it's the hit. And that starts at number 9 here, so we'll back it up here. And then I added another crash here, just kind of enhance that hit. And then as the hook or chorus comes in, you have the sub bass. And of course the Kill Bill horn. Last but not least, you have to have a killer drum pattern. So this is just very simple and it just sounds dope, so I just kind of left it as is and it sounds like this right here. So when you add it all together, you get something like this here. And that's pretty much the video. So I want to thank you guys for tuning in, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you again for watching. It's your boy Young Fizz. We out.